Shark fins, are they any good when teaching children how to swim? Well, in today's video we're going to look at all the positives, all the negatives and all the things you need to consider when using one. Thank you for watching today's video. For those who don't know who I am, my name is Nathaniel and I'm the swim specialist. I am your go-to guy for all your swimming needs, and I specialise in teaching people how to swim through the use of video. My vision is I want children to be able to teach themselves how to swim. I want parents to be empowered to teach their children how to swim, and I would like teachers to have an online resource so that it can help teach others. In today's video I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can use a SwimFin to teach a child how to swim, and then we're going to finish with a game. Make sure that you click subscribe so you can help me achieve my goal of having 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So, what is a shark fin? Well, a shark fin is a flotation device that will support a child in the water. It's to represent either a dolphin, a killer whale or a shark. It comes in a variety of colours, so you can get them in pink, blue, orange, green and red. So if you want to get a shark fin today, all you have to do is go in the description, click the link and you can get one ordered from Amazon. Now, the advantages of using a shark fin are they're easy to put on and take off, so it's very practical. Secondly, once your child is in the water, it will help support them, either keeping their chin out of the water, or if they're really confident, it will encourage them to put their face in the water. And lastly, they look cool and it gives the child lots of encouragement to get in the water and actually practice swimming. The disadvantages are that the straps become loose over time, which means you have to replace the straps. The second disadvantage is that some swimmers might find it difficult when using a swim fin. If they don't have the correct balance or buoyancy or inexperience in the water, they may get into difficulty. The third disadvantage is that there's only one size. Now, some swimmers are a lot smaller and require a smaller size swim fin. So these are the things to consider when using a swim fin. How to put a shark fin on. Just make sure your child is standing up outside of the water, loosen the straps and place the shark fin behind their back. Then when you are fastening the straps, make sure that they are not too tight and they are not too loose, so it is comfortable on the child. So once the swim fin is securely onto your child, you want them to practice swimming forwards. Now, the key point here is to make sure that their mouth is out of the water, so ask your child to place their chin on the water and just travel forwards. The outcome will be that they are safe in the water. If they are finding it too difficult with just the use of a shark fin, you can apply armbands or dolphin disc. Practice number 3, you want your child to be secure and safe in the water, so they need to be in a position where they can change direction. So all we are going to do here is ask them to rotate in a vertical position on the spot. The key point is to make sure that they use their arms and legs so they can change direction. In practice number 4, we want your child to be comfortable when performing a star float on their back. So the key points here are to make sure their arms and legs are out wide, their ears are in the water and their eyes are looking upwards and backwards. This will help your child balance when using a shark fin. Swimming backwards with a shark fin. This time we want your child to relax on their back with their hands by their side. The key point here is to practice a flutter kick whereby their legs are together, they are making small splashes and their knees stay under the water. This will get them travelling backwards safely and effectively. The final practice is we want to encourage your child to use the shark fin, however they need to swim forwards with their face in the water. So we want you to throw some sinkers in the water, and the key point is for them to look downwards and forwards. This will help them achieve being comfortable with their face in the water when swimming. So now that your child can swim safely with the usage of a shark fin, we are just going to finish with a game. This will combine all the skills that they have learned. So all I want you to do is imagine that the child is either a shark, a killer whale or a dolphin. We're going to put loads of fish in the water and your child is going to swim out to collect all the fishes and bring them back to the side. They can use all the skills that they've learned, putting their face in the water, lifting their head out, using their leg kicks, and now they can use their arms. Thank you for watching today's video. What we've shown you is 6 ways that you can teach a child how to swim with the use of a SwimFin, and then we finished with a game at the end. If you would like to get your SwimFin today, just remember to go in the description below, click the link, and you can get yours directly from Amazon. If you want to have a look at our next video, there will be a video on your left, and then make sure that you can subscribe by clicking the button below. If you have anything to comment that will help others when using a SharkFin, make sure you do that in the comment section below. And that's it from me. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. With the use of a... Come on, we've got to keep professional. Keep rolling, G.